A huge rally on the British Pound USD 5-minute charts. Watch the video until the end because I'm going to show you what happened in this crazy morning here, Europe time. Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. I'm back with another Forex Trendy episode. Today I'm going to show you what happened on the Forex market. We had a hot morning here, Europe time, on the Forex market. And now I will show you all the opportunities we had with Forex Trendy. Of course, I will show you the best trades of the day and the worst ones, because I always like to be clear with my viewers that there are no magic tools on the Forex market, and for your trading activity. I like to be clear about this because there are no money-making tools. You will not get rich overnight. But this is a marathon, so you can make money day by day and grow your account steadily. So before starting, subscribe to my channel, enable the notification button so you will know when I will upload the next video. Don't forget to visit my website forexexpert.net, where you will find more than 130 articles about forex trading, technical analysis, fundamental analysis, trading psychology, Forex Trendy review, and much more. If you want to use Forex Trendy, you will find the link below in the description. Let's start. So the first trade of the day here is the British Pound and USD. This was a huge one on the 5-minute time frame. We had a flag buy signal break at 40.20. So as you can see, the price after the breakout had no intention to retest the trend line and started to go up, reaching the 41.56, and now a double top is forming. So we are still on watch, but this trade is huge for the traders, at least 120 pips. It's usual for the British pound rallies like this. If you want to make a lot of money, you should trade. You should focus on the British pound, but beware, use always a stop loss because you can incur in large losses, especially on the British pound. Okay. Let's jump to the New Zealand dollar and the Japan yen. I don't like this chart because it's too fickle and volatility is too high. You can see from the candle size, sides are too big, and the candles are too big. We got these big spikes, so there is no much room to enter into this trade. But okay, after this strange and creepy price action here, we have a triangle buy signal break at 79.21. So the price breaking through the trend line, retesting this level around 71.18 and going up to 79.38. So not much room to make money here. So stay away from price actions like this. Okay, it's not clear. If we compare with the previous one, you can see how calm the situation here is on the Forex market. The candles are small and the price is moving calmly and going up, following this way. Okay, let's jump to the USD CAD. We have a flag sell signal break at 21.20. So after a triple top here, the price started to go down, forming this flag. A little retest here on the trend line. We got these little dojis here and then started to go down, rebounding on the 2096, very close to the 0 psychological level. And after a few hours, continued to go down, reaching the 2081. So a nice price action to enter your short trade. Okay. Always watch, always look at the price action. See if the price action is telling you to go short or long. Okay. This is the previous trade. Let's see the British pound, the CAD. This was a very hot day for the British pound, because UK is reopening after the COVID disaster and lockdowns. So we have a triangle buy signal break at 70.11. The price was stuck here, rebounding on this 70.12 resistance zone. After the breakout, retested the previous resistance. Acting like a support. At London time, continued to go up, reaching the 71.27. I don't count the spikes now because you will not be able to exit at the spikes, especially on the 5-minute charts where things are so fast. Let's jump to the USD SEC rising wedge sell signal break at 3106. Let me tell you this: we got a lot of interesting opportunities here on the exotic pairs, but the problem with exotic pairs are the low volumes and the high spreads. So bear in mind when you build your trading strategies for exotic pairs, always count your big spreads, usually around 20-30 pips. Depends on your broker. So if you take a look at the price action here, it's not very inviting. I don't know how to say in English, but honestly, it's not very good. The price looks like it's lateralizing in this very huge channel at 3094, 3352. So there is no much room to enter short this trade, only if you want to scalp it when you are just close to the middle of the channel and short it for the bottom at 1392. So not a good signal here on the USD SEC. Be aware, I'm using in my setting page, I'm using reliability medium, but you can go for highest. You will receive highest quality signals. Okay. Let's jump to the USD and the CAD. So another interesting trade, maybe it was the previous one. Yes, it was the previous one. I don't know why it's reporting the same trade. Okay, doesn't mind. Let's jump to the Swissy and the Japan yen. This trade is still on his way because it's 16:45 p.m. here in Europe, so it's still fresh. Well, price action doesn't really look very good because the price is struggling to go up, even if was bouncing on this previous strong support zone around 2071. But we will see if it will reach the previous high here at 2104. It's very close to the 0 level, psychological level. So let's see. For me, it's not a good trade, but according to my strategies, as usual, when it's approaching the 0 level, I will stay and watch because many interesting things are going to happen. So I will wait for the price to touch the previous high before entering or not. Okay, I will decide if I will enter or not. So for me now is a standby, watch it. Okay. So this is another trade here, another signal: Singapore dollar and Japan yen, but it's very fresh. It happened at 5:10 p.m. so it's still in progress. I want to show you how it looks. And American session is going to end in a few hours, so volumes usually are going to go down. So we will wait for the Asian session, and we will see what will happen. So as you can see, we had a very hot morning here on the British pound. This coin, this value, usually the lights has with Israelis. It depends on the news. Okay, if news are very promising, then the rallies are very probable on the British pound. Okay, on the pound. So that's it for today. Leave a comment below. Let me know what you think. If you are using Forex Trendy, if you what kind of strategies you're using. Okay. For today is everything. Stay tuned. Bye bye.